The belt tensioner on my 96 Jeep Grand Cherokee was making a pop sound like the spring was broke, which led to this squealing noise, so that they were going to get this replaced. The battery has to be removed, so you want to start by removing the negative terminal first, and then remove the positive terminal. Your battery may be held down by 2 fasteners, so you'll need a 10mm socket for removal. Now that we have the battery out of the way, we have to remove the ignition coil. There's 2 Phillips head screws that are holding it in place, and you'll need a right angle ratcheting screwdriver for removal. To remove the connection at the bottom, you just lift up on the tab and pull outward. Now I have to remove the belt. You can use a regular ratchet with a 15mm socket, and you want to turn the tensioner bolt clockwise towards the driver's side. Then take the belt off the pulley. The tensioner is held in place by 1 nut that's located on the back side. I'm using a 15mm ratcheting wrench for removal. And also make sure you're pulling upwards on the nut to loosen it. I bought the new belt tensioner from Advanced Auto Parts, and it set me back $70. Installation is reversible removal. The alignment pin on the back of the tensioner has a specific spot on the bracket, so it can only be installed one way.